Congratulations! If you've done the activities throughout this course, you've developed a giving plan that allows you to make a huge difference with your time and money. You've clarified exactly what you value, identified organizations that best promote your values, and learned many ways you can support these organizations. The final activity of this course has a list of steps that you can take next to turn your plan into action. You want a plan that's appropriate for your specific circumstances. For many of these steps, you want to work with some advisors. These advisors may charge you a fee, but it'll be more than worth it for the following benefits. Tax savings. Retirement and estate plans that provide for you and your loved ones. Most importantly, they can help structure your giving for the maximum benefit for both you and the organizations you support. Here are some advisors you may wish to consult and what services they would provide for you. Tax advisor. Your CPA, tax preparer, or tax attorney can advise you on when to make donations to maximize deductions. They can also determine the tax deductions you might be eligible for if you are considering the trusts, pooled income funds, or charitable annuities. Attorney. An attorney can help you draft your will and set up a charitable trust. You may want to work with an estate planning attorney that specializes in retirement planning and transferring your assets to others. A financial planner or investment advisor can help you determine how much money you need for living expenses and how much you have available to give to organizations. They can decide if donating IRA funds like your required minimum distribution is right for you and can help you process that with your IRA company. You want to know this if you're considering charitable trusts, charitable annuities, or pooled income funds because those are large one-time gifts. My purpose in life is to promote a world where we support each other in peace, love, and harmony, where we love our neighbor as ourselves and have a full relationship with the ultimate source of life and love. I hope this course allows you to make our world a better place for all of us.